This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 5 part 4. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair, and so whether you appear for CSS or PMS or any other job exam, this series will help you solve the MCQs of Pakistan Affair from historical portion. So in this video we will cover the next 40 MCQs of advent of Europeans and the role of Sir Syed and the other religious leaders. So stay tuned with this channel because we will cover the maximum syllabus in this series, and in the end of this video I have put some questions, so please try to solve these questions and compare your answer with the answers in the comment section so you can know how much you have retained in your memory. So let's start with our MCQs. Jamiyat-e-Millia was established in which year? Options are 1918, 1919, 1920, 1925. So the right answer here is 1920. In 1920, Jamiyat-e-Millia was established. Nadwatul Ulama was established in which year? Options are 1897, 1896, 1895, 1894. So the right option is 1894. In 1894, Nadwatul Ulama was established. Nadwatul Ulama was established to, options are guide the Muslims in religious education, prepare the Muslims in the religious education, guide and prepare in modern knowledge. And the fourth option is all of the above. So the correct answer here is all of the above. Nadwatul Ulama was established to follow all these steps. So all of the above is the right option. Who is said to be the earlier founder of Nadwa? Options are Maulvi Abdul Ghafoor, Maulvi Shakur, Maulvi Siraj, Maulvi Rehan. So the right answer here is Maulvi Abdul Ghafoor. Maulvi Abdul Ghafoor is said to be the earlier founder of Nadwa. When Nadwatul Ulama started functioning? Options are 1896, 1897, 1898, 1899. So the right option here is 1899. In 1899, Nadwatul Ulama started functioning. Guys, I am repeating each MCQ so that you can remember these MCQs in this video completely, so you will not need to go anywhere else for solving the historical part of the Pakistan Affair. I hope you understand this point. So the next MCQ is Nadwatul Ulama started functioning at, options are Surat, Delhi, Lucknow, Karachi. So the right option here is Lucknow. Nadwatul Ulama started functioning at Lucknow. When Maulana Shibli was born? Options are 1857, 1858, 1859, 1860. So the right option here is 1857. In 1857, Maulana Shibli was born. Shibli was born at, options are Ahmedabad, Azamgarh, Faizabad, Abbottabad. So the right option here is Azamgarh. Shibli was born at Azamgarh. When Shibli joined Aligarh College as assistant professor of Arabic? Options are 1881, 1882, 1883, 1884. So the right option here is 1883. In 1883, Shibli joined the Aligarh College as assistant professor of Arabic. Shibli introduced study in language as a compulsory subject at Nadwa. So what was that language? Options are Urdu, Arabic, English, French. So the right option here is English. Shibli introduced English as a language for compulsory, as a compulsory subject at Nadwa. When Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam was established? Options are 24th December 1884, 25th December 1884, 26th December 1884, and 27th December 1884. So the right option here is 24th December 1884. So on 24th December 1884, Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam was established. Who laid down foundation of Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam? Options are Ihsanuddin, Islamuddin, Sharifuddin, Qazi Khalifa Hamiduddin. So the right option here is Qazi Khalifa Hamiduddin. The Qazi Khalifa Hamiduddin laid the foundation of Anjuman Hamayat Islam. Who became the first president of Anjuman Hamayat Islam? Options are Hanifuddin, Qazi Khalifa Hamiduddin, Faizuddin, Tabrizuddin. So the right option here is Qazi Khalifa Hamiduddin, who became the first president of Anjuman Hamayat Islam. Which scheme was started to collect the funds for Anjuman Hamayat Islam? Options are Muthi Bhar Aata, Muthi Bhar Chawal, Muthi Bhar Dal, Muthi Bhar Sikai. So the right option here is Muthi Bhar Aata. Muthi Bhar Aata was a scheme which was started to collect funds for Anjuman Hamayat Islam. Islamia College for Women, Cooper Road, Lahore was established in, options are 1937, 1938, 1939, 1940. So the right option here is 1938. Islamia College for Women was established in 1938. When in male sector, Anjuman opened its first institution in Sheranwala Gate, Lahore. Options are 1889, 1890, 1891, 1892. So the right answer here is 1889. In 1889, in male sector, Anjuman opened its first institution in Sheranwala Gate, Lahore. When Hassan Ali laid foundation of Sindh Madrasatul Islam? Options are 1883, 1884, 1885, 1886. So the right answer here is 1885. Hassan Ali laid the foundation of Sindh Madrasatul Islam in 1885. Teaching pattern of Sindh Madrasa, Karachi was drafted on the style of, options are Aligarh College, Deoband, it is Deoband, and third option is Nadwa, fourth is MAO School. So the right answer here is MAO School. The teaching pattern of Sindh Madrasa Karachi was drafted on the style of MAO School. Islamia College Peshawar was established in, options are 1899, 1900, 1901, 1912. So the correct answer is 1912. Islamia College Peshawar was established in 1912. Who laid down the foundation stone of Darul Uloom Islamia? Options are Haji Suleiman, Haji Salim, Haji Tarangzai, Haji Tasneem. So the correct answer here is Haji Tarangzai. Haji Tarangzai. So who laid the foundation? Haji Tarangzai has laid the foundation stone of the Darul Uloom Islamia. Haji Tarangzai is the right option. So these are the 5 questions from these MCQs. So you can just pause the video and solve these MCQs and simply compare your answer. And I will be very happy if you share your marks in the comment section, so I can know that this series is really helpful for you. Thank you so much.